So this is given to be Haley's method, right? And the reason why this method works is because the reason why the vertex exists halfway between the two zeros is because of symmetry, right? The quadratic relations will always have symmetry, right? Where the vertex is the only point, right, that has one y value, but any point you choose, right? There will also be another point directly across from it that has the same y value, except the vertex, okay? So then if you have the two zeros, right, that means you calculated, or Haley calculated these two zeros here, the halfway mark, right, the halfway mark is where the vertex should be, okay? So although this isn't perfectly accurate, right, the halfway mark is where the vertex should be. So when she calculated this halfway mark to be x is equal to 2, right, if you just plug in for x is equal to 2 to this equation here, you get the corresponding y value, okay? So that means this point, right, of the vertex is going to be 2n minus 36.